So good morning. I just jumped on my bike a few minutes ago. Decided to go from the east coast of Bali all the way up to something called Lake Batur, which is something I haven't done in a while. And it's also not something I can do every day because it's very steep. We're talking 1,300 meters roughly over 30 something kilometers, so it's pretty steep. It's more of an endurance ride than anything else really. I hope I can do it, but I feel motivated even though I had a twist on my ankle last night, but everything seems to be fine. We're having a great morning today. 8 a.m. in the morning. Temperature is perfect, not too cloudy, which makes everything more visible. So gotta keep moving. Catch you later.
Is it too much to ask? Is it too much to wonder? I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting. Tell me that you're ready to go. Tell me that you're ready to go. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting.
Again. Hello. So as we are approaching the 10-kilometer mark, which is not even a third of the ride, I just wanted to share that what actually makes this ride here very tough is due to the fact that there is no really part that actually goes straight out and where you can just relax for a little bit. It's the entire time is just uphill. Of course, some parts have a more steep percentage than other parts, but there is no room for any rolling on a straight surface or even a little bit downhill at some parts. It's just up, up, and up. It's all right. I usually take this ride in 3 steps. The first 10 kilometers, which we arrive in a few meters, is actually the easiest part. As we get closer to Lake Batur, the more steep it gets. So, as we move on. So it's time for water. We have reached the 1,000 meter ascent climb point now, and we are at, what is it called? Batas Vilaya. I believe this is the border up to Kintamani, which is the region where the Lake Batur is located. I think we have around 6 or 7 kilometers more, and we are on the last third of the whole climb, and we are getting into the most difficult part right now. The last part is always the most sloped part, or the most what is it called, the steepest part, right? So have a little bit of a sip of water, and then we're ready to go for the last part, and I'll take some more footage when we come to the lake. See you soon. So we're riding here in the last few kilometers up to the rim, and where we are going to be able to see the Lake Batur. 1,250 meters of climb so far. We're nearly there, but we're definitely also on the steepest part. Not sure how many percentage it is, but I think it's, yeah. It's a 9% climb. Not too bad, but yeah. It hasn't been that hard. Well, it has, but it has been. It was harder last time. Let me say it that way. I've done this ride maybe 3 or 4 times, and I'm quite amazed how well this ride has gone so far. Maybe it has to do with the temperature as well, which is so pleasant. Not too hot, not too cold. But see you in a bit. A few more kilometers and we're at the lake. So Highlight has arrived at the lake, and it always amazes me when I come here, because when you realize that this lake here is not actually well, it is a natural lake, but it's not the kind of lake that most people would think of as a lake. But the fact here is that this here was a volcano, Batur volcano, and at some point the whole crater has collapsed during an eruption, and then during time, of course, with all the water, all the rain and whatnot, then the lake has appeared. And this is what it looks like. It is a fantastic and stunning view every time I come here. Yeah, so this was the sightseeing of Lake Batur in northern Bali. One of the, I would say, one of the must-see parts of Bali if you ever come here. But of course it's your choice if you choose to bike up here or take a bus. But that's it for now from Lake Batur. I think I'll have a little break over here, see if I can find some fruit. I need some energy. It has been a 1,350 meters climbing so far, over just 35 kilometers, so it's something, I think. And hopefully I can find something here. After that, basically I'll just go parallel with the way I went up here. Of course, everything downhill and more smooth, and I need that because my legs are getting really tired. So bye from Lake Batur. See you in a bit. So I actually just rode down from the rim, Lake Batur, and probably like 3-4 kilometers down. And I definitely have to eat something because I really run out of energy now, and I found this Nice little fruit shop here. The lady in the shop was kind enough to just cut some fruit for me and make a small little fruit salad. So just got my little lunch here: fruit salad, mango, pineapple and passion fruit. And I was asking for if it was possible to make rujak style, which it wasn't, but she gave me this. I'll see if this one goes well with it. So the fruit salad has finished, and I'm ready to go home. Let's roll on. I just thought I want to say a few words before coming back home, which I can't wait, because I slowly need a shower. I'm damn sweaty and my ankle also starts to hurt a little bit, so I think it's better to come home and rest. But nevertheless, it has been a fantastic ride to Lake Batur. So just to round up with a few data, as we come here through something called Bangli, we reached the 1,400 meter ascent mark, which was done only over like 38 kilometers, so I think it's quite something. And the distance itself up and down is right now only 65, but when I come home it will be around 75. Well, what is more to say? Please help me grow this channel if you like the rides I do in Bali. The like button, the subscribe button could probably help me out. So if you wouldn't mind, give it a click. And yeah, please comment if there is any future rides you would want me to do in the future. I'm flexible to take on some recommendations where to go. Yep, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And I want to say bye bye for now until the next time. Bye bye.